Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change username on Snapchat. So open Snapchat. Next, tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Now once you're here, so under my account, tap username. Then tap change username at the bottom. Then click continue and enter your new username, just like so. So if it says username is not available, you can click suggest a username. Then if you like that username, what you can do is to click next at the bottom. Then enter your password.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
And click confirm. So a few important things to know: you can change your username only once every 12 months. Your new username must be available. And changing your new username does not affect your friends, snap score, memories, or streaks. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.